Hello all. So here I am trying to solve the cube. Did not get a chance to capture the video while I was solving it at the competition. So here I am. So this is a solved cube. What I'll do is I'll mess it up first. So again, messing up the cube is easy. Try giving it random rotations, and yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys would have done it at some point or the other. At the competition, the judges do it for you. Once they are pretty convinced that the cube is in a random state, then they allow you to start solving it. So, okay, uh, so the cube looks in a random state. Yeah, the judges would have been pretty happy with the current state that it is in. Now, what the international rules say is you're allowed to observe the cube for 15 seconds before you start solving it. So that's the observation time. I have a manual stopwatch here with me, so I'll start the stopwatch and observe the cube. Okay, so the observation time is done. I took a little less than 15 seconds. Now I'll reset the stopwatch and I'll start the stopwatch and I start solving the cube. So here we go. Okay, so this is a solved cube. I solved it in a little more than 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Not one of my great times, but